We have done a cleanup within the two rivers, and there are more actions that will follow to ensure that today's initiative is carried forward. So we will be seeing that these partners have actually pledged and committed to continue with this work, with the work that has been initiated today, to ensure that the two rivers are well protected, the two rivers are well cleaned, that the communities therein will be sensitized on the need to ensure that they maintain a clean environment. And we know that cleanliness starts at a household level. The proper management of waste, proper disposal of waste should start at a household level to ensure to see to it that the entire ecosystem is well protected and kept clean.
We have seen the upstream, we have seen the middle and the lower, and we have collected a lot of dirt amounting to 20 tons. And our message to the public is that we are not doing good in as far as conserving our rivers is concerned. We are depending on these rivers for water for domestic, water for our wildlife, water for our economic production. So we are simply telling the people of Laikipia County, let's partner, as the theme says, partnership for wildlife. Let's partner so that we are able to conserve our rivers for the sake of our environment, for the sake of our own health. Remember, our health is our wealth. Environment should come first compared to any other thing. But now we have decided that development should come first instead of environment. And when we go that way, not sure whether we are going the right way. So my message to the public is let's partner so that we are able to conserve our natural resources, our environment, for the sake of development.
You can see the importance of these two rivers which flow in between the town. On this, as a challenge, the Luas are not able to maintain pollution. We are now asking the government of His Excellency, the Governor of Laikipia, to come up with a structure to help us to clean these two rivers. So we Luas, we don't have that capacity. They should put a portion funding, some funding, to have these rivers, the catchment protected, not only around the town, but from the source, from Mount Kenya, so that there are springs we know, and they dried up because of human activities, cutting trees, overgrazing the mountain. These springs can be rehabilitated through the county government, through both the county government, because River Lake now trespasses through Meru and Laikipia. So these two governments can come in and then they put some funding to rehabilitate these two rivers. We have got people who have built on the riparian land permanent houses. I ask the county government, because the land sector is under you, please revoke those also, so that you can be able to maintain the riparian land in this county or along these two rivers.
The two rivers originate from Mount Kenya, and they flow downstream towards most of the areas that we have our outdrive. And these rivers have not been flowing because of one or two issues. And one of the issues, like what we have observed, has been the issue of obstruction, and also because of waste being put in our rivers. And this waste has really polluted our rivers, the two rivers, as we have observed. Today's day, we have managed to clean our two rivers, and we have managed to recover 20 tons of solid waste. The efforts have been made through the initiative of KWS plus other stakeholders, and we look forward for greater partnership and collaboration with the government and non-governmental actors to achieve environmental sustainability in River Nanyuki and River Liki.